Integrating your cabinet vision software with Jobman amounts to some great time-saving features while increasing end-to-end transparency for your manufacturing business. Quoting is a foundational aspect of manufacturing. Jobman sets the stage for powerful scheduling, capacity planning, purchasing, and reporting from many great features integrated into our quoting system. Importing your cabinet vision cabinet names, heights, widths, and depths are all that is needed to create powerful quote options and control over pricing. Smart logic is waiting for you. Jobman can identify separate rooms where you are able to see the parametric part sizing contained within the products, plus all the associated labor to provide you with accurate pricing. The ability to modify cabinet logic on the fly is just a click away from removing the guesstimate aspect of quoting. Quick cabinet sizing modifications, price overrides, changing product styles, or even for the whole room provide the ability for ultimate control over your quotes. Presenting your quotes in a timely and professional manner can be the make or break of winning work. Jobman offers multiple quote templates where your data is presented the way you want. Emailing your quotes from Jobman's email client will send the quote with a link where the client can accept or comment from their phone. You will be notified in Jobman via email with a notification. Turning your quote into an invoice that synchronizes with your accounting software adds to the multitude of efficiencies that Jobman offers. When a job is automatically created from a lead or a quote, the associated operation times can be scheduled forwards or backwards. This will populate the target calendar, which also provides drag and drop functionality and will also update associated tasks. Purchasing in Jobman utilizing cabinet vision data that we can extract with JM Sync solves inventory control issues while implementing sound purchasing procedures that can synchronize with your accounting platform for invoicing. JM Sync automates data migration from cabinet vision to Jobman, which is installed and runs locally. Hardware with product codes can be purchased from Solid Setup Plus, or you can set this up yourself. To order, simply click on the pending items and then click on a supplier field, which will start filtering the data for you. Emailing purchase orders to your suppliers and turning received purchase orders into invoices is also an easy process. Sign up today and discover why more cabinet makers are choosing Jobman.